In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Yahoo emails. If you accidentally deleted a message, don't panic. Yahoo Mail gives you a couple of straightforward ways to bring it back, and we'll walk through both, starting with the quickest option inside your mailbox. First, sign into your Yahoo Mail account. On the left-hand side, look for the trash folder. Depending on your layout, you might need to expand the folder list to see it. Open Trash to view everything that's recently been removed. If you remember the sender, subject, or a keyword, use the search bar at the top to narrow it down. Otherwise, simply scroll through the list until you spot the email you want. When you find it, hover over the message and check the box next to the sender's name. You can select one or several at once. Now look to the upper right for the option labeled Restore to Inbox. Click that, and Yahoo will move the selected messages back into your inbox. Head over to your inbox to confirm the email has reappeared and continue your work as normal. If you can't find the message in trash, or if it was emptied, try Yahoo's official recovery process. From your inbox, click the Help ? Icon in the upper right, then select Go to Help for Yahoo Mail. In the Help page, navigate to the section called Recover Lost or Deleted Emails. There, click Send a Restore Request. A form will open asking for details about what you're missing. Describe the issue clearly, provide the relevant timeframe, complete the reCAPTCHA, and submit the request. One quick tip: if trash isn't visible right away, click More on the left sidebar to expand the full list of folders. And when searching, try combining the sender's address with a distinctive word from the message that can surface the right email much faster, especially in busy mailboxes. Keep in mind, restore requests only apply if the emails were deleted within the last 7 days. Yahoo automatically clears the trash after that period, so timing really matters. If your situation fits that window, submitting the form promptly gives you the best chance of success. That's all there is to it. Check trash and restore to your inbox, and if that doesn't solve it, use the Help menu to submit a restore request through Yahoo's support page. Following these steps carefully should help you recover important messages without hassle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.